Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been forever. Whew. I'm so excited but nervous at the same time to share with you guys. Oh my god, it feels like forever. It feels like forever. Anyways, your girl is back with a new look. I cut my hair on Friday because it was falling out, so I figured why not start over? Make it a new chapter in my life, basically. A lot has been going on, but I just haven't had the time to share with you guys. I feel like I haven't been here in forever. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So a lot has been going on, but I just haven't had the time to share with you guys because you know I work all day every day. Basically, you can say that. But the main reason I'm here today, guys, is oh my god, this hair is giving. The main reason I'm here today is because I had went on a trip and I had bought some stuff to go on the trip and so forth. I thought it would have been cool to share with you guys when I was buying this stuff, but obviously I could not. I had to work. I was doing shopping on the same days that I had to go to work and stuff like that. I could not vlog. But anyways, I decided to share with you guys after the fact. I mean, I'm going to work today. I have to cook. I have stuff I have to do before I go. But I said I had to take a couple of minutes to come and share with you guys. So, my husband and I was going on this weekend getaway for his birthday. And I bought some stuff and whatever because, you would rather much have stuff that you don't need than don't have what you need. And because we were going to go for dinner and stuff like that, yada 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 yada, you're thinking dresses, heels, whatever. I'm more of a casual person. I'm more of a jeans, t-shirt, sandals, and I'm out. I like to be comfortable. So this time around I decided that I was gonna do my hair some type of way I've never done before, which is why I got the shortcut, but my hair was falling out anyway, so I needed to. It's not my first time getting a shortcut, but it's been mad long. And I decided to cut my hair and decided to get a few heels to go with some dresses and stuff like that. Simply because I was trying to be more girly, like I said, because I'm really not that type of person, so I decided that I somehow need to change my looks and stuff like that. Yeah. You know what I mean? For the ones that get it, whatever. Why am I so nervous? I feel like this is the first video like I haven't been here in forever. Woo! So anyways, guys. So I'm back. Half of the stuff that I brought I did not wear because we went there and most of the persons were casually dressed, and even the one night that we dressed up, we felt like we were overdressed. So we didn't really do much for the other nights or the other days. We just went back to our regular jeans and t-shirts and stuff like that. So anyways, I had bought some heels and sneakers and stuff to go on the trip that I want to share with you guys, because like I said, I'm not even a heels person, so I'm just so excited to do this. So alright, so I had gotten this pumps from Michael Kors for one of the dresses that I was supposed to wear, which I didn't end up wearing anyways. So this is the pumps that I got from Michael Kors, but I did end up wearing the pumps one night with like jeans and a button front shirt and stuff like that. It wasn't really cute, but yeah, I ended up wearing the pumps once and that was it. I thought this was really nice. But yeah, it was kind of interesting because like I said, I'm not a heels kind of girl, so I was kind of nervous as to how I was gonna walk, how I was gonna look and stuff like that. I like to be comfortable because I don't have to put much effort into being comfortable. All right, so the next one that I got was this pumps from Jessica Simpson. This one I didn't wear because, like I told you guys, after the first night of going out, it was like we didn't really feel the need to be dressy anymore. But I thought that this was mad cute when I was buying it, and I can't wait to wear this to show it to you guys. Like, this is really nice. Like, I just feel like the red is so sexy. So this one I didn't wear. This one I did not get to wear, and I can't wait to wear these. I got this heels from Fashion Nova box. I thought the box was mad cute. The box is cute, but yeah, I got these heels from Fashion Nova. I think this is really cute as well. This is really nice. Didn't get to wear it as well because we didn't do much, but the good thing is I have them now and I can always wear them somewhere else. This is so cute. Like, this is so not even me. Like, I don't think you guys understand, but people who know me know what I'm talking about. Like, I can't wait to wear these so I can show it to you guys. But yeah, I got these ones from Fashion Nova. I think it's kind of simple but cute. You just have to know how to dress up your stuff and whatever. This is really cute. Last but not least, well, not last, but yeah, for the shoes, last but not least, I got these sneakers from Nike. I do wear sneakers, but I've never really tried these kind of styles before, so it was kind of interesting for me. But when I tell you, these I did wear because I ended up only bringing one sneakers. I don't know what I was thinking about, so I ended up wearing these a lot. But when I tell you, this is so cute, and I don't know, like, this is mad cute. I think I need, like, probably, I'm gonna try to get like 2 or 3 more of these. Like, I really love these sneakers. It's crazy. You just never know, because I didn't even know I would actually fall in love with these. But yeah, they have these mustard ones that I really like that I'm trying to get. Like, this is really cute. So that's it for the new shoes. When we were shopping for the stuff, I saw this bag in Michael Kors that I felt so in love with, and I didn't stop annoying my husband until I got the bag because I thought it was mad cute. So I saved that for last. So now I want to share the bag with you guys. Like, I got this bag from Michael Kors. This is really cute, and I feel like it can go with pretty much anything. This is really cute. This is like, out of every bag that I have right now, this is my favorite bag. Like, this is mad cute, and I'm sure that you guys can agree with me. I love this bag. I love this bag. This is really cute. Whew. Yeah, I did use the bag because I only brought 2 bags, this bag and another one. So I did use my bag. I used that bag more than anything else because I really love that bag. So I just wanted to share like some of these stuff with you guys. I was so excited to share with you guys because, like I said, I'm trying to change my style. I'm trying to have a different look and stuff like that. And I want to bring you guys along with the journey as well. I am so sorry that we have been gone so long, but I'm really trying. Oh my God, like I told you guys before, even if I ended up posting like 1 videos per month, I'd rather do that than to totally cancel my channel or whatever. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not doing that. Like, I'm fighting the fight this time. Yeah, so I hope that you guys can find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm just kidding. I know that you guys understand, but yeah, I just had to share with you guys before I go to work. I have a bunch of other stuff that I need to do, but I had to get this video out. I can't wait to hear you guys feedback, what you think about the eels and stuff like that. I have other stuff that I want to share with you guys, but I'd rather do that in another video, like a clothes haul or a try on haul or something like that. But guys, I want to thank you for still supporting us. Oh, I realized that we have gotten like 20 something new subscribers, even though we haven't been posted. Guys, I really appreciate all the love. Nothing has changed, and like I said, we're really trying, and I know that it will eventually get to a point where we will be able to post more once we're more settled. But for right now, it's just what it is. And thank you guys again for the support and the love. Have a great rest of your day, guys.